Hey guys, Cobb here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Super Mario type coin score system in your game. So first, what you're going to want to do is go into here, right click, create a folder, and you can call it whatever you want, but I like to call it sprites because that's what it's called. It's the picture things. And then you also want to create another folder called prefabs. So then go into the sprites folder, right click and click import new asset, and then navigate to the one that you created. It can be any texture that you want, but I already did this, so I'm just going to drag this into sprites, and now we have it in here. And the prefabs folder is you want to drag this into your scene, but then drag it back into the prefabs, and then now it will turn into a prefab. So you can take this prefab and then make it as many different times as you want, and then if you were to edit this one, it would edit all of them like that. But so we don't want to do that right now. We don't want all of these right here, so I'll just delete those. And then so you can go wherever you want to. I'll just set it up over here, and then you can set it to whatever height you would want. So let me see that. So I'll just make it negative. No, okay, we want to make it. Let me see how that looks. So I'm not sure the exact amount you might want to make it. So then I'll just go over here. A little higher probably. So I'll make it. That might be too high. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, okay, that looks good. And now we also, obviously, you want to add a box collider. Box collider 2D, and there. Okay. Now that we've done all that, we also want to do one more thing, is add a tag, and you can just call this whatever you want. I'll just call it, brick, even though it's not actually a brick, but in Super Mario, it would be a brick. And then you can just add that tag to it. Here, I'll just add it to this, so that way it will automatically add that to it. So now, the reason I made a separate texture for it is, well, I'm not sure why I said that. I didn't make a separate texture. I was trying to say basically, you want to make this different from the other bricks that we are going to be adding later on, so that way you'll be able to know which ones to power up. You don't have to, but I like to do that. So now we can go into the player, and we want to add a new script called coins. Obviously C#. And then you want to open that up. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go into here and type in using Unity Engine .ui, because we're going to need to connect it to a text, and then make a public text and just call it score. And then we want to do void on collision enter 2D, and then collision 2D other, so that way we'll know once we hit our head on this, it will detect it, which means that it'll give us coins. So we'll also want to come back in here and then create another UI and text, and now you want to position the text probably in the top left corner. You can make it as big as you want, it doesn't really matter, and you want it to probably start out as 0, and then I'll just make it like 50, and also, so we want to select the canvas, and then okay, I'll need to figure out why we can't edit that, but that will just make it, once you maximize it, you want to select it so it will maximize with the scale of the screen. I'll need to figure out why that doesn't work. It might only work in 3D. I'm not entirely sure. I haven't done too much with text really, but so that should probably be good. I'll just look at it in full screen. Okay, we can't see it. I'll move it more that way. There we go. Still can't see it. Okay, see it. I don't understand why I can't see it. Let me see here. Okay, so I fixed it. I just had to remove the canvas and re-add it. Not sure exactly why that happened. So now we have the score. It's set to 0. I made the text white, and now I also selected the canvas, and then I selected scale with screen size. So that way, now it looks the same in the small screen as it would in full screen. Makes it look a lot better and stuff. So now, we can go back into the script, and then you want if other game object compare tag. We've done this before, and then sorry, what did I make the tag for it? It's brick. Okay, yes, brick, not Rick, brick. Okay, and then so we want to make another variable, public float coins. I'll just call that coins. And then, so we can do coins equals coins plus 10. So you get 10 coins every time you hit your head. Oh yes, so this won't work because, so I'll just make it, score number. Because, I forgot that the class was named that. Score number. Score number, there we go. Okay, so now, if we go into play, and we look at the player, we should see the score number goes up. Yeah, okay, it goes up 10 every time. So now, we want to connect the text to score number, so we can just get the score text and drag it into score. And then, we want to create another method called void update. I'm just gonna remove the private because I don't really like that. So now we can do score dot text equals score plus score number there. Okay, so now score dot text equals empty brackets because we don't want that, plus score number. So now it would go into here. We should see that when we hit our head there. Okay, now it goes up with the score. So I think I'll also make the brick a little bit bigger because it looks a little small. I'll probably like double the size. So let me see, not canvas. So make it 2 by 2. And now we might also want to make it a little bit higher because now that it's bigger. Oh wow, that's pretty big. I think it's kind of cool. And we can't get on top of it, and we have to hit over here also. So I will discuss how to fix that in the next episode. But right now we can just get so many coins, and so now that we have that, we can we have this, so we can just go into prefabs and basically just duplicate that, move it down here, and then create a new game object called bricks, and this can hold the coin bricks and regular bricks that we will make later. So now this one, we can move it over by 1. There, now they're not right next to each other, and any changes that you make to them, it will make it to both of them. And right now you can hit your head on either one. You can get a bunch of points or score, whatever. So now you can also add a little picture before it, like a picture of a coin or something, whatever you want. I'll be doing that in a later episode. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the video. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.